Okay, we have a compound shape here, and we need to find the area of this shaded triangle. This is a square. As you can see, the sides are marked equally, and this is a right angle triangle. So how do we get the area of this triangle? We need to know the base and then the height. Let me call this h, the height. So can we get the height from this square? We can. If the area of a square is L squared, and we're given as 9 meters squared. So which means if you square root both sides, the length of side of the square is what? 3 meters. When you square root both sides, the square root of 9 is 3. Which means the height of this triangle is now what? 3. The height is 3 from here, because the side is 3, 3, 3, and 3, right? But we don't know the base yet. Let me just say B for the base. But we know the longest side, which is 5 meters. This is meters. So the question is, how do we get the base from these two sides? We can. Pythagoras theorem, which states that the square of the longest side, this is the longest side, this one here, the hypotenuse, is equal to the sum of squares of the other two sides. So 3 squared plus, let me just say B squared for the base. So this is 25. If you transpose 3 squared is 9. Why is this happening like this? The ink is just spilling. So this is 3 squared. It's changing to something else. 3 squared is what? 9. When you transpose it to the left hand side, you get minus 9. That's B squared. 25 minus 9 is what? 16. That's equal to B squared. Take the square root of both sides to get the base. That's what? 4. So the base is 4 meters. Now the base is 4 meters. 4 meters. So to get the area now, I'm going to clean up this because of space. So remember, we got the base as 4 meters. Base is 4 meters. Now what's the area now of this shaded part? This is a right angle triangle. Half base times height. And what is the base? 4 meters. What is the height? 3 meters. Yeah, that's the height, 3 meters. So if 2 goes into 4, 2 times 3 is what? 6. So the area of this triangle is 6 meters squared. I'll see you in the next video.